Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor is a widely used online platform designed to assist travelers in planning and booking their perfect getaways. It offers a wealth of information, including user-generated reviews of hotels, restaurants, and attractions, as well as booking options for flights, accommodations, and activities. Think of it as a one-stop shop for your travel needs, aggregating data from millions of users to provide a comprehensive overview of destinations worldwide. The site's core functionality revolves around its vast collection of reviews. Travelers can share their experiences, providing valuable insights into the quality of services and offerings at various establishments. This crowdsourced approach allows potential visitors to gain a more realistic perspective, going beyond the polished marketing materials often presented by businesses themselves. Users can rate their experiences, leave detailed comments, and even upload photos, painting a richer picture for future travelers. Beyond reviews, TripAdvisor offers a range of tools to facilitate travel planning. Users can compare prices for flights and hotels, explore destination guides packed with local tips and recommendations, and even create personalized trip itineraries. This allows for a more streamlined planning process, empowering travelers to make informed decisions based on a diverse range of opinions and resources. However, like any platform reliant on user-generated content, TripAdvisor has its limitations. The potential for biased or fake reviews is a concern, though the platform employs various mechanisms to detect and mitigate such issues. It's always wise to consider the overall consensus and look for patterns in reviews rather than relying solely on a single opinion. Despite these caveats, TripAdvisor remains a valuable resource for travelers, offering a wealth of information and tools to enhance the planning and booking experience. Its global reach and extensive database make it a go-to platform for exploring destinations and making informed travel choices.